You've waited months for this moment. Your baby is finally here. You imagined it would be simple, natural, even magical. But now you're tired, sore, and wondering, why does this feel so hard? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Every new mom makes mistakes in the beginning. It's part of learning. But today, we'll talk about the most common breastfeeding mistakes new moms make and how to fix them so you can feed your baby with confidence, comfort, and peace of mind. Stay with me till the end because mistake number 8 is something even experienced moms often miss, and correcting it can completely change your breastfeeding experience. Mistake number 1, the shallow latch. This is the biggest reason breastfeeding hurts. When your baby latches only onto the nipple, they can't draw out milk effectively, and your nipples take all the pressure. It's painful, frustrating, and can even lead to bleeding or infections. To fix it, bring your baby close, tummy to tummy. Make sure their mouth is wide open before latching, and let their chin touch your breast first. Their mouth should cover most of the darker area around the nipple, not just the tip. When you hear calm, steady sucking, you know it's right. A deep latch means less pain for you and more nourishment for your baby. Mistake number 2, watching the clock instead of your baby. Many moms believe they must feed every 3 hours exactly, but your baby doesn't care what time it is. They care about hunger. Feeding on a strict schedule can lower your milk supply and leave your baby cranky or restless. Instead, feed on demand. Watch for early hunger signs, rooting, lip smacking, or sucking on hands. Your baby's cues are more accurate than any clock. Mistake number 3, worrying too soon about milk supply. So many moms panic and start pumping or supplementing right away, but your body needs a few days to learn your baby's rhythm. Overpumping or adding formula too early can confuse that natural balance. Trust your body. Breastfeeding works on supply and demand. The more your baby nurses, the more milk your body makes. If you truly suspect a low supply, talk to a lactation consultant before you make changes. Mistake number 4, forgetting your own nutrition and hydration. You're giving everything to your baby, but if you don't care for yourself, your energy and milk supply will drop. Remember, breastfeeding burns up to 500 extra calories a day. Keep snacks nearby, fruits, nuts, eggs, yogurt, and drink water every time you nurse. A healthy, hydrated mom makes a healthy, happy baby. Mistake number 5, skipping night feeds too soon. Yes, sleep is precious, but night feeds are essential. Your body produces the most milk-making hormone, prolactin, during the night. Missing those sessions can cause your supply to fall before your baby's ready. Try dream feeding your baby before you sleep, or keep them close for easier nighttime nursing. It's exhausting now, but it won't last forever, and it keeps your milk flowing strong. Mistake number 6, enduring pain silently. If every feeding makes you flinch, something isn't right. Pain is your body's way of saying, please fix this. You might have a poor latch, engorgement, or even mastitis, all treatable with the right help. Don't tough it out. Reach out to your doctor or a lactation consultant. You deserve comfort while feeding your baby. Mistake number 7, trying to do it all alone. Motherhood can be lonely, especially in those quiet night hours. But you don't have to handle everything by yourself. Join breastfeeding support groups online or in your community. Talk to other moms. You'll find comfort knowing that your struggles are normal and you'll pick up tips that really work. Mistake number 8, comparing your journey. Maybe your friend's baby gained weight faster. Maybe your sister had no problems latching. but comparison only steals your joy. Every baby, every body, every bond is different. Some moms produce more, some less. Some babies nurse quickly, others take their time. What matters is the love, not the numbers. Each feeding moment, even the messy ones, is a moment of connection. So mama, if you're struggling right now, take a deep breath. You are learning something new every single day. There's no perfect way to breastfeed, only the way that works best for you and your baby. Trust your body, trust your baby, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself. You're doing better than you think. If this message helped you, take a second to like this video, subscribe for more mom